So yeah, once again on my another video on Chow Bank. Once again, this is your boys Weekend here, and today's video is another review on Chow Bank, and we're gonna do a live withdrawal and also live deposits on everything you need to know on this particular platform. So what you need to do for me now in this video is to watch this video attentively, drop a like on the like side, and also please do well to subscribe to the channel if you are new to the channel. Remember, this is your boys Weekend, and I'm here again with another long-term platform. Let's go. This is my third video on Chow Bank, and today's video I want to do more things on it. So for those of you that doesn't know how it works, you can check out the first comment of this video. You see a tagged video there where you will see how it works, and let me also walk you guys through on everything about Chow Bank. Chow Bank is a banking platform that can also operate with cryptocurrency. So first thing first, once you are done signing up with your account in the description, with the link in the description of this video, you need to verify your account with your national ID card. So once you're done verifying your account, as you can see, my account is verified over here, as you can see it. So once you're done verifying your account, you move next to purchasing the bond in the project. So there is this particular if you want to purchase bond, all you have to do is to click on this place that says bond over here. It's going to take you over to where you need to purchase bond, and once you are in this page, all you will see is the two different types of bond. So this is the first bond, which is minimum of 10 bonds to buy. So you can select to buy with your balance, or you can also select to deposit and buy bond. So right now I want to deposit and buy bond, and I want to deposit USDT, TLC 20 USDT, which you guys know that is the amount I normally love to do it. So 10 minimum to buy here is 10 bond, and 10 bond is equivalent to $101.68, because one bond equals to $10, and it's gonna be giving you some percentage like 0.2% for 3 good years. Guys, 3 good years is gonna be giving you 0.2%. so you can calculate it and know when you will get your capital back. So I want to purchase bond of 150 USDT. So I think what I will purchase is 14 bonds, which will cost me around 142 USDT. You know, the last one I purchased is around 10, and I want to buy another bond right here. So what I have to do now is to click on this place that says buy bond, as far as I have added the amount that I want to buy. Remember, minimum buyout, minimum purchase, minimum plan is 10 bonds, which will cost you $101.62. Compared in any cryptocurrency that you want to deposit with, you can select to deposit with BNB, USDT, TRC20, Tron wallet. You can deposit with Binance Machine, Litecoin, Dogecoin, or Stellar, even Bitcoin Cash, Cardano, Stellar, Cardano, Solana, SRP, RIP, and also ePay. So for me, and you guys know, I normally love to use Tether TRC20. So what I have to do now is to enter the amount that I want to buy, which is 114 bonds, which will cost me $142. As you can see, the last one I bought was 140 KD, which is 10 bonds, and it's working for me. As you can see, it's currently open and it's working for me right now. So what I will have to do now is to click on buy bond, and it's going to take me over to where I will buy the bond. So once I come to this particular place, I will scroll up a bit and then see the wallet address given to me. So what I have to do now is to copy this wallet address and head over to my account. So here, my Trust wallet, what I have to do now is to enter the wallet address which I copied from the platform. So after adding the details that I need to make the deposit, what I have to do now is to click on this place that says continue, and it's gonna load up a bit and ask me to confirm the transaction. So this is it right here now. So what I have to do now is to click on this place that says confirm, and then it's going to ask me for my fingerprint, and then the transaction will now be successful right here. So right here, as you can see, I have made a deposit, and now if I go back to my account and click on this place that says bond, okay, let me click on transactions. You see that my transaction have been successful. As you can see, another bond of 1,119.74 HKD have been created for me. So every week it's going to be giving me the percentage, because it will be acquiring 0.2% for me every week it will calculate it all and put it in my balance, and that is this thing that you are seeing here of profit accrual bonus of bond 2. As you can see, I got that 5 HKD last week and got that 5 HKD latest week, and that is the reason you saw 70 HKD on my account. So as you can see now, I have created another deposit, another bond 1. As you can see, this is it. The last one that I created is like this, is 1000 HKD, and which is this particular one, the first one that I opened, which cost me $101.68. But right now I used $142.352 to start it up. So on the Telegram channel, they have around 1,789 subscribers currently when I'm making this video. So in this particular video, you will see that they asked, why is Chao Bank the future of banking? Why trust in traditional banks is declining? A Chinese technology and finance corporation is creating what could become the most powerful fintech in the world. So the company Chao Bank Limited is regulated by Hong Kong government and its CEO Shering. This company is responsible for the technical aspects of the bank, while the financial activity have been transferred to the United Kingdom, where Chao Bank Future Limited, headed by Yang Chang, and was registered. Technically, Chao Bank Global Future Limited does not have a banking license, but it has registered a capital of $1 billion issued by Go Insurance, and it's a subsidiary of Global Future Enterprises, which have been registered in Beijing and has been successfully developing since 2016. So you can read it over here on their Telegram channel in the description of this video for more details on this particular information. And here you can see the legal statute that they are talking about. Let's click on it. You will see the certificates given to them. This is a certificate given to Chao Bank. They just made it arranged for us to see. This is that certificate given to them, both the deposit insurance and certificate of mandatory deposit insurance, according to what they said on their website and also their Telegram channel. This is the last certificate of incorporation and other details. And they say Chao Bank was established on September 8, 2022. That was a few months ago last year, and in Hong Kong, and it was established in Hong Kong, where its headquarters are still located. Still, since its founding, has opened a branch in the United Kingdom. Chao Bank Future Limited, then the registered capital in the Hong Kong is 7.764 billion HKD. HKD is the own token converted. And then the registered capital in the United Kingdom is 989 million GBP. The business nature SIC includes banking, provision of credits by non-deposit financial institutions and other specialized organizations, providing consumer credit, security trading, and commodity trades. Chao Bank obtained the International Legal Entity Identifier, which is a 20-character alphanumeric code based on the IELTS number standard developed by. You can also just read this thing by yourself so that you can understand every other thing, so that you won't be confused by my own reading. So with all said and do, you guys have seen how Chao Bank works, and just the summary of the whole thing is, this particular people is kind of a bank, and they can deal with cryptocurrency also. So you can make money with them by investing, and you need to buy the bond. It's not that kind of investment, but still it's an investment. You need to buy a bond minimum of 10 bonds, which will cost you $101.68 currently. So you can use any cryptocurrency of your choice, which is being listed there, and it's going to be giving you 0.2 revenue every single day. 0.2 revenues every single day. So all the revenue is going to be accumulated every week and sent to your account. So my first revenue was my first investment was 10 bonds, which is giving me 35 HKD every single week, and every 2 weeks I'm placing withdrawal. So as you can see, this is another 2 weeks after the last time I made a video about it, and right now I decided to make more investment so that I will be making sure to be withdrawing every week. Why am I doing it? Because minimum withdrawal is 50 HKD. So 50 HKD with my first investment, it will not be giving me up to that amount, but with this particular another investment of 142 point something USDT is gonna be giving me, I'm sure of withdrawing every single week. So how do I withdraw? It's very simple. In my last video I made a live withdrawal, how to bind your wallet address and withdraw. So right now I have binded my USDT wallet address, and now it's time for me to withdraw. So how do I withdraw? Minimum withdrawal, just like I told you guys, is 50 HKD. So what I have to do now is we edit this to 70 HKD, and already I've bind my TLC20 wallet address, which is this particular one. So once I withdraw it, I won't have anything on my balance again. So the next thing I have to do now is to click on this place that says next step, and it's going to take me over to where I will place the withdrawal. So once it loads, it's going to bring me over to this page where it will show me the invoice dates and every other thing. It's going to account purpose is withdrawal from Accra wallet, and sender is Chao Bank. In there, look at their wallet address, and this is my email and my phone number. So what I have to do now is to enter my payment CV code, which is you will find by the back of your visual withdrawal card in front of your account. So I'm gonna enter it and place the withdrawal right here. So as you can see, I have placed the withdrawal, and if you go over here, you see that withdrawal of 70 HKD is now being going. And if I go over to my all operation and go over to pending, you see that this particular withdrawal that is now pending. So once the withdrawal is done, I will complete the video and show it to you guys. So after around 5 hours or more, I went back to my account and I found out that the deposit, my withdrawal from Chao Bank, have landed to my account. So that is it. As you can see, this is 8.8 USDT, which I showed you guys. I did a live withdrawal previously on this video. So this is it, and this is how I'll be making from now onwards. I'll now be withdrawing weekly from Chao Bank. So this is it, and I will be making it for consecutive 3 good years, guys, as far as the platform lies. So that is it. I hope you guys got value from it, and remember, as Weekend is not anywhere financial advisor. Do your research and invest what you can afford to lose. My name still remains Ruby King, and this is ABK Crypto. See you guys on my next video. Bye.